Teacher.
My name is To Jia-Ci. I will act as student.
My name is Enkoshi and I will act as student.
My name is Ong Hwan. I will act as student.
My name is Elian Salim. I will be a student.
Okay, good morning, students. I think I have given you some homework slide about the history of the county. Have you done it?
Yes.
Okay, now I would like you to tell me what you have got.
So I have found the definition of accounting history. The accounting history is defined as the study of the evolution in accounting practices and institutions in response to changes in the environment and social needs. It also considers the effect that this evolution has worked on the environment. And the limitation of accounting history is the history's inquiry could either narrative or interpretational, is conditional and not definitive. It may be incomplete. History may not reveal cause of an event as a certainty, but can indicate probable factors affecting the event. Historian explanation and causal analysis begin with searches for pattern of development, attempt to proceed for determination on what happens to a contingency or how it happened. Basic judgment process constrained by time.
Okay, I would like to tell about double entry system. Luca Pisoli 1444 until 1510 published a book in 1494 titled Summa Arithmetical Geometrical Proportion et Proportionalita. And then he described the practice of double entry system, that is debit and credit, which is being used by the Italians. And Pacchioli indicate that all entries must be double entries. If you make one creditor, you must make some debtor. And then he also indicate that the purpose of bookkeeping is to give reader without delay information as to his asset and liabilities.
Okay, the use of accounting history is first recreation. It means that the fact finding in the development of accounting. And the second uses of accounting history is explanatory. It means that when or why adapted and abandoned certain practices. And then next one is the problem solving. The problem solving means that the use of accounting in solution of present day account problems. And the last uses of accounting history is prediction. It helps predict the future.
For my part, it will be the importance of accounting history. There's three parts as accounting pedagogy. Accounting history is helpful to others to a better understanding and appreciation of accounting and its evolution as a social science. The second one will be accounting policy. Accounting history can help towards a better understanding of accounting problem as well as contribute towards formulation of public policy. The last one, accounting practice. Accounting history could provide a better assessment of the existing practices by comparison with the method used in the past.
Okay, students, since all of you done your homework, then I will continue with the development of accounting. In general, the accounting has been established since 3000 before century in some parts of the whole country, such as in Chaldean Babylonia, Assyrian, Sumerian, Egyptian civilizations. The second is Chinese civilizations, and then the third is Roman civilizations. So since all of you didn't really like history, so I'll just conclude the development of accounting in Malaysia. So we will start from 1957. In 1957, there's Companies Ordinance, which is in 1940, 1946, and 1956. The next one is in 1958. In 1958, Malaysia has formed the MACPA, which is Malaysian Association of Certified Public Accountants. And then in 1965, establishment of Companies Act 1965, the company's ordinance were then repealed, contain 9 schedule. It's already disclosure requirements. And then in 1967, the Malaysian Institute of Accountants, or we call MIA, was established under the Accountant Act 1967. After established, it's actually remained inactive because it's focused more on practicing the new accountants. So it has been inactive for 20 years. And then the next one will be in 1968. 1968, MACPA issued the first accounting guidance which deal with the specimen company accounts. And then in 1978, MACPA was admitted as a member of International Accounting Standards Committee, or we call IASC, and began adopting IAS. Next, in 1984, MACPA issued the first Malaysian accounting standard. Finally, in 1985, the Companies Act, which is 1963-65, was amended. The 9th schedule with more comprehensive disclosure requirements that includes the preparations of statement of source and applications of funds. And then in 1987, the operations of MIA were activated, and then MIA began using the accounting standards. It's where the MIA have been more active after 20 years disactive. And then in 1993, securities commissions were established, and then the public listed companies are required to show full disclosure requirements as required by SCs. And finally, until the 1997, Financial Reporting Foundations of FRF and Malaysian Accounting Standard Board, or MASB, was established under the Financial Reporting Act in 1997. So this development of accounting in Malaysia, we stopped until in 1997.